don't just blindly support this, because that presidential jet, you won't sit in it. You won't see it. You should join us. You should join us, and let's rescue this country. Let's lead a protest. Now you're making it clear, say, and yeah, dear, this presidential jet, they should even bring the agreement to Parliament, because we have served notice. And I salute the minority leader for his leadership. I want to also salute the Right Honorable Speaker, because Wabuapa has been very supportive. Me file a question and now I admit it. Fantastic. Because Anka, a MPP speaker, me question, look, I can tell you so many questions that you filed in the past, which Anyejuma, they were not admitted. They were held up in purgatory. They never saw the light of day. I want to also use this opportunity to appeal to your rank and file, your party supporters. And they say a lot of them have been quite disillusioned about expectations now more for caucus, the NDC in Parliament. Those expectations have been dampened somewhat. There have been initial hitches and all of that. But Mayor Pele say they should give us a second chance, give us the opportunity to redeem our image. Good. And draw a minority leader, Okase, he has taken note of all the concerns. And we will do what is right. Fantastic. We will not disappoint the people. Fantastic. And Mayor Pele say, you are turning the guns on ourselves. They be our NDC platforms and now we are fighting amongst ourselves. Infighting. We don't need that. Good. Look, the SSA you're fighting say, let's turn the guns on more administration, on profligacy, ostentation, extravagance, misplaced priorities. Those are the things we must fight. Let's come together, united. Let's close our ranks and deal with this total ineptitude at El Coso, the total disregard for the people, the disdain, the disrespect. El Coso, President Okakrana, or no, obey no more. He has absolutely no regard, for the Ghanaian people.
The wise men of our time, and Uncle Muyu Nyansa. Omu using him, the no claim so they have no, and accommodate Bua Ghana, and also Mode Buam Bushi, and Omode Buam community, and Kagana Konenim. You know my problem with Ghanaian elites? They only know how to talk. Ghana for elites, no, Omo Mako school, the Ominimane Kasa, chop it. Ya know the what the chance in the manner or Kohwa or you're worse than the first person that was there. And now no power we miss me boo food. Now me boo food because me person will be a war or catechia free fano and number nani page tagino. Captain Smart tagino. Avram Bemoshe tagino. I'm telling you this because I know what I just saw. And now papa my video be na me both na afuno me just say me ho tie me no. I had to come for 30 minutes and to lay certain things straight. Then no other than say me attack sa kwasia for free fan Captain Smart and say Jimmy for we no. Other than me attacking them, I'm going to attack the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Ghana for no be my Jimmy Toto. Ghana for no be mama kwai ma yedemo just say yedemo Jimmy. Ghana for mama mo ho kwan ema NDC MPP mempe na nado asem mempe mahama asem mempe si edun kete asem mempe ba wumi asem no mama enu na fama dwene mankwasiafo bi afase edi milk Ghana dry, and it pains me. You understand? It pains my heart. Say Ghana need to ho na ni nua Ghana ni abeka asem akere no na asem obeka kere no o ti wo pefe onim se enyampa. Now, so I say me when people, even those saying I'm Panamediadi. Me when this, even those saying I'm Panamediadi, Namadia propaganda. But in any case, propaganda, all these years. Etusumo propaganda secretary now they are dealing now. Where did it reach us? Where did we go? Where did we get to? Ghanaians, don't be stupid. The people of Ghana, do not be stupid. We have had a first regime. Don't allow a second A+ in our body of politics again. Ghana for we have allowed A+ Jimmy part 1. Mama my ma another Jimmy Phoebe part 2 bio mama for my gin no mo dwen so mo wono e ma me that Ghanaian citizen. And that many san kwasia for me and sa we stupid fool dumb for we. Avam Jimmy Moshe. Avan Bayfo Moshe and Susman 2 muye epemo gentino. On Jimmy Nancy bia. It took me a while. But your time will come. Avram Foolish Moshe. Yes, my name is Felix Apia. I'm calling you. And I'm not calling you for fame. But I'm calling you to tell you, say, that your so-called common sense is the dumbest sense that can ever be found. Are you listening to me? You, this stupid Avram Moshe, your stupidity, you cry the one who Jimmy and Boro Bio Jinas platform. So. But it is sad, say, when you have few tricks to be, as if you care about Ghana, as if you say Ghana Koswama, and what they say Ghana. They be able to pay the someone, and now certain people who me chinti. No man can tell me so boy any day Jano, boy any day Jano. They be asked Steve, yes or be ya me pay so me jim. No man can say there be. But my who say Jimmy na open say with Jimmy Ghana for. About stupid Moshe. Avram Ben Juan Jimmy Nikwasi and Penny Bam. I'm telling you this. If you are a man, motherfucker, go take care of your stupid kids. That's one. Utie, Avram stupid Ben Moshe.
We are you for we are babua. Anka ubetum painting kwa no pa toasia bompa ya Akufo Addo ene MPP aban. Okay. Na men sorry enkodi sa useless journalist omo mo brother. Ti say Captain Smart or more brother Crowford tetu omo apa Captain Smart. Or your Crowford first class. Now in the coming week, you know, we will show you what say me MPP ni. Maybe papa who come sa ban redu. E bra oko MP. E wa Asante Achimnof. Ye papa no na ko pe bosia de tua na yi. So onimu a ye catch also ado wan ko bo President Akufo. Ko busa President Akufo. Go and ask President Akufo. Me turn national television so catch you. Me wo fani na Nadu Asabre. MPP chairman for Asante Achimnof.
Founding members. Yeah.
What you say? Yeah, your papa no your for phone e do musika chichi MPP. So if you care to know her, I'm telling you today. Say if you don't know her, enti na yen nya brea. Say nyoma kotia ese your sorry nye kasa. Because odi chi anko akwadwane. Me catch them what bio. Say okro no na board wa han. Kumasi a wo so ye bema. Bra Kumasi anam no nko zongo police station.
Onko e dey.
Onko zongo ye continue docket na pie. In the coming weeks, I will come and read all your dockets on radio. Useless being. Ninkompu like you. Ghana anomna ye fan your so easy. Kakati smart benya kukudo. Abegina radio so, TV so, edidi president atem.
So do obi atem.
I said it onye ndi obi atem. Me say oye Crowford number 1. Book bi I can friend confident trickster. Me del. Say we say wo. Zongo police station no the bench warrant. Bench warrant. Metu abobo radio journalist bi Kumasi a.
But that's my character.
Asma make a check. Na sa nipa wo.
Bani awadi atwam dey say
character. Or that character. Recently odi mama kwanta din. Akwa ji bu oba besia. Ajini sika.
That case dey mo akwata na ni.
Asma make I don't care.
No need jail.
I have the facts eh. Say am we need to show actually. Mama Tess. Woman be a platinum furniture. Any Captain Smart platinum furniture. Me be ya che o sisia. Checks no. Mama wa bono video so me na me de ma Canada Japan.